How to create professional business flyer on Microsoft Word in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional flyer on Microsoft Word. So first thing you have to do is go to Microsoft Word. This is it. Now this is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go to the top right here and click on this flyers option. Now after you click on flyers, it will take you to this page, and here you will find thousands of flyers. I'm gonna show you one of the best business flyers that I liked here, and for example you can choose any of these actually. For example this one or this one. As you can see, there is many options. I'm gonna show you this one again. It's like it's on the business style. This one, it's so simple, and there is, I'm gonna choose one to show you how to edit it. Now I'm gonna choose this one right here. Click on it, and now click on create right here. Now wait a few seconds and you will be able to edit the template. As you can see here, you can add your business name, for example how to media, and here change the text, and after you finish just click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.